guys, I want to show you the new product this year, 2016 Spring Recoil from Horizon Hobby. What's really cool about this boat is we're going to throw it in the water in a minute, right anywhere off the dock or off your boat, and it actually flips over. So even if you have some heavy chop, throw it in, jump some waves, even if it flips over, you're not running out to go get it with the smaller boat. Let's try it out. I have a 3-cell right here, it comes with it. Really great electronics, it's brushless. It's got 2.4 gigahertz. It's got a Spectrum servo in it, brushless motor, and we're gonna throw this in and throw it in the water and show you how it works. Okay, let's go try it out. Oh no! That's okay, watch. Beautiful.